Hey guys, how is it going? It's Sabhi here from Sabhi's Life. Welcome to another video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing a mic I wanted to buy for a very long time, and that mic is called Rode microphone, a shotgun mic, which is a very small, tiny mic, very lightweight, and easily can be attached to my DSLR camera. And this Rode mic doesn't require any battery. This mic is a directional mic, so any unwanted sound you wouldn't be able to hear it. You can only hear the sound which I want to record into the microphone, into the video. I never tested this mic before, so I will be testing it for the first time, and I will be using it from now onwards in all my videos I'm making inside or outside. This is the mic I wanted to buy for a very long time. As you can see guys, it's such a tiny small mic which can be easily attached to my DSLR camera, and I wouldn't even feel the weight of it because it's so lightweight. And the best thing about this mic that it doesn't need any battery, it doesn't need to be charged. You can just connect this to your camera and it will be ready to go. So let's unbox this. It's got a cable with it which goes into the DSLR camera or any camera. So this thing goes into the camera mount. I'll show you in a few minutes. And this is the actual mic. Let's remove this. So this thing used for wind, when you are in a windy situation outside, this will block the wind noise. So guys, this is a mic, a Rode mic, such a tiny mic which goes onto the DSLR camera, and I'll quickly show you how to attach this to the DSLR camera, as you can see guys. So this mic goes into this hole here like this, and then you got to remove this cover like this and then attach this. You can see it in the camera in the video. So this thing goes here like this, and then turn it around this wheel in clockwise direction to make it tight like this. And then after that, this cable goes here like this and here. So this cable, one side goes here and the other side on this A7C camera just here goes like this. And if you want to if you are in a windy situation or outside, you can attach this onto this one like this, and then the wind noise will not be coming into your microphone, and you will be able to you guys will be able to hear my voice very clearly. So let's test this outside in a windy environment and see how does it work. So right now I'm here onto the rooftop of a building, and there is a lot of wind here. So I have the mic is not connected to the camera yet. You might be hearing a lot of wind noise. So now I will attach this mic to the camera and see how my voice is coming into this camera. So I have connected this mic to the camera, and I'm pretty sure that you will be not listening that much wind noise. My voice would be more clear to you with better quality. Guys, this mic was originally $89, but I got it for $60 from Amazon.com. So please find the link below in the description and go and purchase this mic of such a good price before the price come back to its original price. So I hope you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell down below, and make sure to comment and like on all your social with #Sabhi's Life, and I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.